Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. I've got an unboxing video for you, and this time it is December's edition of Glossybox. And this is the gorgeous box. It is so pretty. It's all that glitters and in red and gold, as you can see there. Such a pretty box. So Glossybox for this month is actually sold out. So to be in for a chance of receiving a beauty box in January, take a subscription out now if it's what you want, that is, obviously. But you won't receive this box, you'll receive a welcome box. So I'm assuming either a past box or a box of different random beauty products. So if you're new to Glossybox, I will just give you a quick lowdown about what it is. But as always, if you want to skip right forward to seeing the actual contents, I will add a timestamp down below, so you're free to click forward. So that'll be down in the comments, so check out there. All information related to this box and subscription links. I've got a refer a friend code for 20% off your first box, and links to Glossybox website if you want to check that out as well. Everything to do with this box will be listed down below in my description, so click on the show more and that will bring it up, so you'll see all the information and stuff down there. So Glossybox is a monthly beauty subscription box, and it costs £10 a box and £3.25 postage and packaging. So inside every box you get a mix of beauty products: skincare, hair care, makeup, tools. We've even had chocolate bars. So I'm on Glossybox's PR list, but I still keep my subscription running because I don't know how long I'll be on the list for. So any extra boxes that I receive, it'll go for future giveaways. Now I'm not sure if I'll be getting a PR box this month because it was sold out, but this box is the actual box I paid for, so I'm keeping it. But if I do receive a PR box, I will put that one up for a giveaway. With a subscription you can go for a monthly, which is what I do, or you can opt for a 3, 6 and 12 months subscription, which brings the cost down a little bit. So I think that's all the information. I will just open it up and show you what's inside. So inside the box you get a little leaflet here. It tells you everything you need to know about these beauty products. It tells you the price, whether a full size, sample size, and they also tell you a sneak peek for January. So if you're interested in taking that subscription and you would like to know what one of the items will be, I will let you know in a little while. But yeah, so let's open this. Look how pretty that is. So pretty. Okay. Oh, I'll show you first. There. So I'll put this down to the side of me, grab an item up, show you, and then refer back to that card. So going back to this card then, let's have a look for the sneak peek. So it says 2019 is upon us and we're making some serious beauty resolutions. One being to rejuvenate and to re-energize our skin. So this January we're treating you to a full-size Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream from Avant Skincare. Ooh. Worth £98. Oh my word. And it's full size. What is full size? I think it's 30ml. Whoa, £98. Oh my gosh. So because I don't think I'm having a PR box this month, I haven't had a press release, so I'm not too sure what's in it. I do know one thing from a sneak peek that we had last month, but besides that I don't know what else is in this, so I'm quite excited. So let's see what the first item is. It's something quite big. Mask, is it? It's a lip mask, and it's Beauty BLVD Divine Hydrogel Lip Mask. It plumps, tightens, smooths and hydrates, and there's 2 lip masks in here. Oh wow, I've never had one of these before, nor never ever tried them. So what do they look like? I've seen some on YouTube and they're massive. They like fit all around your mouth there, and they just look like a massive lips. I'm not going to open that. I'm going to try that over the weekend, I think. So either tonight or tomorrow I'm going to give that a go. So yeah, so I wonder what that'd be like. So what's the information say? Obviously this is a full size product and the recommended retail price is £7.50, and it says, for plump, smooth and kissable lips look no further. Formulated with green tea extracts and moisture boosting hyaluronic acid, these masks rescue dry lips. Collagen and antioxidant rich red wine extracts also help to plump and smooth. Perfect for applying your douce lip crayon. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. So we've got a lip crayon on there. So I'll get that one next. So that's our first item, and I'm quite chuffed with that. Something a bit different. Yeah, I've got the lip pencil now. I keep on saying this and I keep on asking you. People say it's like goose, so it's deuce, but do I pronounce the E? Is it deuce-E or is it deuce? I promise next time I have one of these products I'll get it right, honestly. So that's what that looks like there. Look at that colour. Oh, that just is me. I absolutely love it. It's 405 Winter Berry. Oh, nice, nice, nice. So because I've got quite a nude lipstick on, I'm going to wipe that off and I'm going to try it. Alright, let's try it. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's pretty. That is gorgeous. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, see, I love these pencils. Lip pencils. I don't think I've ever had one that I haven't liked, especially the matte ones. I have had like a glossy one before. I can't remember the brand now, Jelly Pong Pong, and I didn't think much of that, I don't think. But the actual, these matte lip pencils, oh, it just goes on without a lip liner. You don't need one, and the colour is, oh, I love it, absolutely love it. So what's the information say in here? The recommended retail price for this is £16.95. So it says, reminiscent of mulled wine and winter berries, this rich, bold red lip crayon couldn't be more Christmassy if it tried. Long lasting, deeply pigmented, it glides on smoothly and has an on-trend ultra matte finish. Pair with a LBD or a cute jumper for a chic daytime look. So that's our second product. Really, really, really chuffed with that one. Oh, it feels nice as well. So I'm going to be editing this now and be like, oh, flipping it, Claire, lipstick on your teeth again. So the next item is a Bellapierre Shimmer Roll. Now this was our sneak peek from last month, so I knew I was getting this, and I've had this before, and I think I've had it in a Look Fantastic in the last year, I can't remember. Yeah, this is for face, eyes and body. Now it's a shimmer roll in a gorgeous, like a goldy colour, I'd say. Really, really pretty. It's super powdery, I remember now. It is super powdery, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to pick it up, but I've just added it there. So yeah, it is a nice product, definitely Christmassy vibes, but unfortunately it's pretty, but I don't go for it, and I'm not sure what I've done with the other one now, so I might give this away. I think the reason why I'm not that excited by it is because it's a roller, and I think we had one recently as well in a different subscription box, and I can't put roller, I mean, my eye socket is quite small, not the top here, but just above my eye, and putting that on top of my eyes is just be too much hassle. I prefer to tap it out and then tap it on with my finger maybe. It is pretty, but I do have a lot of gold shimmery sort of eyeshadows now. But if you haven't got anything similar to this, then it is definitely a product, you know, that is nice. It is really nice. It feels nice on the skin. It blends in lovely. It's not too in your face, but yeah, you can apply it anywhere. So for me, it's not exciting, but it's because it's just me, isn't it? It's just my preference, that's all, but yeah. But yeah, I think it's just because it's got a roller thing and I'm just not that keen on them. So I'll shut up about it now. It's a full-size item and the recommended retail price for this is £19.99. This iridescent highlighter glides on and contains pure pigments that blend seamlessly and shimmer endlessly, used to highlight your eyes, cheekbones or body to get a festive glow. So yeah, it's really, really nice, but not for me. So I'm going to give that away, give it away. So next item. Oh, it's leaked. Oh no, mine is leaked. Oh heck. I'll just take the last two items out. I got a bit of a mess in the corner there. Oh no. Oh, that looks disgusting. Oh, what a shame. But thankfully it's only a little bit. But oh, it's a pain when that happens, isn't it? Oh, that. Never mind, only a tiny bit has come out, but it looks like, I don't know, where's it come out? Because it's on quite tight, it just must be leaky, I'm not too sure. Anyway, that aside, it's a Imperial Leather, and it's a Cosmic Unicorn limited edition. Oh wow, Moon and Sparkles Unicorn Dust Fantasy Icons Shower Gel. Oh, that packaging is absolutely stunning. Really, really pretty. So that's what that looks like there. Oh, it's a shame that it leaked a little bit, but it looks like it's just come out from the bottom there. No sparkle that I can see. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, it smells like a perfume, but with a fruit, grapefruit. That's right. I thought it might be sparkly, like one of those shower gels that you wash. I think, is it Nux or Nux? They've got one like a shimmer shower gel, which is gorgeous. I thought it might be something like that, but I can't see any sparkles. But the smell is gorgeous. So let's see what the card says. A full-size item, and the recommended retail price is £1.99. We couldn't resist injecting some fun into our daily shower routines. Inspired by cosmic moons and sparkles, it will leave your skin soft and magically scented with pink grapefruit, citrus and floral aromas. Who doesn't want to shower like a unicorn? So no, bit of a random product to add in a beauty box, but I can see how, yeah, I can see how it all fits. It's quite nice and the packaging is gorgeous, and yeah, shower gel. It smells nice too, so you know, quite happy with that as well. Then our next item is a Barley liquid jelly blusher. Ooh, Nico Pro. Nico Pro, I've never heard of them, but oh, jelly. Oh, I can't wait to try that. Let's see what it's, have I done? Is that upside down? Pinky coral iridescent sort of colour. What's it like? It is jelly. Right, let's try it up here. Oh, that is quite pretty. A gorgeous, yeah, gorgeous coral colour. You might not be able to see. Position isn't great. So shall I try a little bit? I'll try a little bit on my cheeks. I'll just blend that in a bit. That's quite pinky. That is quite pinky. See, on my skin it looks pink, doesn't it? Whoa. I do like liquid blushes, but I tend to put them on underneath and not, I've got setting powder and setting spray and everything on my face. So yeah, so not a bad colour at all, but quite pinky. So it'd be interesting to see what it's like, how I normally do my makeup routine, to see how it would blend in. But it feels nice. It's nice and cooling on my face as well, which I like. So let's see what it says about this. So this is by Nico Pro, and the recommended retail price for this is £12. And it says shimmers of gold combined with a beautiful pink hue to give your cheeks a flush of colour and a natural sparkle this winter. We love the unique jelly formula that's hydrating, pigmented and lightweight. Apply a small amount of blush to the apples of your cheeks. So no, quite interesting to try that. It's a shame that it is quite pinky, only because I tend to go for more corally colours, but it's not super pink, but I don't know, I'll have a proper look afterwards. So our last item is a item that they've added in as an extra freebie, and it says it's by May Beauty, and it's the incredible pore strip with charcoal. Removes blackheads, and there's 2 strips in there. So that's what that looks like there. I love these things. The recommended retail price for this is £3.50. I'm not sure if that is what this is worth as it is, or whether it's like a pack or something. I would have thought they're a pack, but I will link it down below. I'll try and seek them out. But it says we've included an extra treat to help prep your pores for the busy selfie season. These nose pore strips remove blackheads and impurities. We're sure you'll agree that nothing is more satisfying than peeling away pesky blackheads. So those are all the items. So I'll just gather them all up. So we've got a Douce or Doucey lip pencil, and we've got shower gel, we've got lip mask, we've got a blusher, and we've got a shimmer makeup roller thing, and highlighter I should say, and we've got a nose strip pack. So that was the added freebie in the box. So altogether these items come to around £62. So considering the box, including postage and packaging, costs £13.25, it's definitely way above the actual cost of the box. But what are my thoughts? I think, yeah, it's a fab box. I'm definitely going to carry on subscribing to Glossybox. It's always something in there that excites me. This lip pencil is absolutely stunning. It is beautiful. I absolutely love the colour, and I will always wear it. Yeah, the shower gel, very random, but I think it's quite nice. The smell is quite nice, so that'll be going in my shower now. And yeah, I think these two are a bit hit and miss for me. The shadow roller thing, highlighter, is it's a nice product, as I said, but because it's a roller, I just don't tend to go for them. If they're in my makeup things, I just don't pick them up. So that's just a personal preference, but the actual product itself is quite pretty, so I am going to give that away. The blusher, on first impressions, very nice, feels nice on my skin, but a little bit too pinky, so I'm going to play around with it and see what I can do with that. And then yeah, the lip mask, brilliant, absolutely love that, and the nose strips, always handy. So all together I think it's a good box. It's not a wow box, but I definitely say it's Christmassy themed. We've got the red lips, we've got the glitter, yeah. shower gel. Everything is all like in Christmas prep for going out or any parties or anything we've got, so I can see that definitely. So no, and the box itself, the box is stunning. So I think overall I really like this month's box. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. I'd love to know whether you think this is a good box this month or whether it's not. All your opinions I love to read, so let me know down below. And also, what do you think about sneak peek for next month? Oh my gosh, £98 full size product. That's just mad, isn't it? So yeah, so I'm quite excited for that, see what the other items are as well. I hope they're not like tiny little samples just to make up for it, because in all honesty, sorry, I'm just popping everything down. In all honesty, thinking back to January this year, nearly all my subscription boxes I didn't like. I had a really bad month of subscription boxes, so I am a bit apprehensive about January. I hope that it lives up to my expectations, but we'll see, we'll see. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye bye.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy and